Okay, we're in a park in Bluefield. Kids notice this train. Is there an entrance to it? We need to go check it out. Let's go check it out.
Have you ever felt one of these rails now? No. Train rail? Touch it.
Check it out, kids.
No, so look at the end.
Whoa. Come this way, Miss Anna. So we can all be together. Come here, please.
You ain't get on the train. I'm on it. Let's go look at the engine now.
Let's go up here and look at this engine. Come on.
This thing can fall in day too. Look at them wheels.
Yeah.
Look at his neck too. It scares me somewhat.
That's a big old train. There's a sign. Let's see what it says.
How do we get in? It's the number 7 train.
Is it number 7 train? It is, isn't it?
It's the 7th train. What's this for?
That's how they hook up the cars to each other. It's the brake system, I guess. It's what keeps all the engines knowing what each one's doing, I guess.
They need hey, there's a hornet's nest in the light.
Yeah. Did y'all see the great big bell on top of it?
Yeah.
Anna,
Oh, yeah.
how's it feel to stand in front of a big train?
Good.
Yeah. Come on over here, baby. Let's go this side.
Okay. So we can get on the train?
No, I want you to see the bell.
Look at the bell, in.
Come over here, look at that big bell.
I saw it. They just don't. And I just put the train in. Mom.
You like that, don't you?
It's a real train.
Yeah, it's a real train.
It used to move too. A long, long time ago.
It's a real train.
It's beat up because look at it.
One of y'all's favorite westerns might have been made with that train.
Like John Wayne.
Yeah, like John Wayne. He probably could have fought on top of it or something.
I hate John Wayne. Northern folk and western.
Somebody might have hit out one of them cars
Yeah, because look.
to get a free ride.
Anna, pump.
Hey, come on up here, Anna. Anna, come here. Come up here.
Come on, sis. Choo-choo. You need help?
She's a little short.
No, I can get on.
Let her do it by herself. She can do it. It's a lot of work for a little girl.
What happened if the train started moving?
Well, it's not going to because it's chained down to the track. It ain't going nowhere. They didn't want nobody to steal it, so they chained it to the track. I don't know why. I've never seen that before. But unless you're David Copperfield, you're not going to steal a train.
Imagine getting right here, Anna. People had to get on top of that. Okay. Let's take a picture, Mom.
Picture?
Yeah, come on.
Hold on. Y'all say bye to the video.
Bye. They used that in World War something. If it's been here, it must have been used in World War something. Yeah. How do we get in there?
For you guys to look at. There's not going to be no getting inside of it, guys.
Only getting on. There's only going to be getting on. I see where they used to get inside because there's a hole right there.
Yeah.
Have you ever touched a cannon, Anna? Yep. They used to shoot out of that. My gosh.
She's going to climb it by herself. You go, girl.
I climbed it by the wheel.
You go, girl.
I climbed my gosh. Have you looked inside yet? can see inside.
Your sister climbed that tank.
Hey, Mom.
Huh?
There ain't nothing in that.
Well, I
That's
know.
cleaned out.
Are you looking inside of it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that thing's clean. All I see is a purse.
This is a small tank. Is somebody's purse in there?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to get near that. We don't want to mess with somebody's purse.
I get off first, right?
Well, go ahead and get on top of it, Andrew. If we're going to do this, we're going to do it right.
Okay.
I don't see no sign that says you can't be on it, so.
Stupid thing.
Just don't get near that purse, please. Don't get inside of it, please. You might get into a jam I can't get you out of.
Mama, help me.
You got it going on, girl. You got it going on.
I'm going to touch the camera. What's Paige going to say when she sees about this?
Well, she's going to be amazed, I'm sure.
She's going to see a tank.
Yeah, a tank. I'm going to say thanks for the memories.
Tanks for the memories! To my little friend, Mr. Tank.
All right, don't get off yet. I got to take pictures. Y'all say bye.
Bye. If I hear a train, I'm gone. Yeah, and I'm going to run all the way back.
Welcome to train tracks.
Now I'm going to run all the way back to the car. So we're going to go train tracks. What up, Nick?
Don't go get run over by a train.
This actually is fun. I know this was fun.
What are you going to do when a train comes?
I'm just going to say here to say, that's a little train.
Yeah.
And we're going to make a fun of the man.
Yeah.
We're going to make his blank.
That's funny.
That's a fun joke.
Yeah, that's a funny joke.
Hey, the train tracks are over there too.
They're everywhere.
Let's walk it one way.
We're going to.
You're the best mother a son could have.
Oh, well, I try awful hard. A lot of people don't think so.
Because they don't know you that good.
They don't know God either. People that don't know God don't know good when they say it.
This is the real deal right here.
This is the real deal. That's right.
Why don't you get on with us? I'll get up ahead. That way you can get on.
Man, look at that tower thing over there. What's that? Oh, it's got a toilet. That's the toilet facility. Can you believe it?
Yeah, look at the caboose over there.
Ah. Well, this is interesting.
Yeah, we ate there before. Me and my classmates. And Mama.
Uh-huh.
That's the second caboose here.
Yeah, you're right.
That all the way back to the
Can you believe that's the toiletries?
There's men.
This is wonderful Bluefield. We have done a mixture of Bluefield, Virginia, and West Virginia today. And if the video production seems a little wavy, it's because we are due for a new camera. And we are shopping for one. This one will retire soon. That's a baby bottle. Oh! It's not mine.
And wait up.
She's running from the train. Yeah, nice. Is there a train coming? I don't see one. Yeah.
Slow down. This is a family walk.
She's running from a train, Andrew. doesn't want to get smashed by a little train.
This is what we want.
I don't want to get smashed by a little train either.
I'm probably bigger than the train. We're going right across this track.
Yeah, I'll go check out that caboose when we get down there.
And then we'll finish
That seems like a fun idea.
And then we'll finish walking there. What's it called?
Looks like a big horse corral kind of a thing there. I don't want to get pooped on by no bird.
Then we'll finish our walk.
You want no big goose poop on me?
Come on.
Huh?
Look.
Oh, check out the railroad crossing sign. Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. There's bees over there.
Yeah. Bees will attack you. Trust me. Check out that pinwheel thing. I bet that lights up at night. I don't know if it shows up on the video or not. Let's see if we can give you a close-up here.
Looks like the train's been here.
That's that diesel you smell from that truck I just went through.
Looks like the train's been
That big truck you just saw going up that mountain.
Hey, look, there's a little bridge.
Yeah, I'll go over here and check out this caboose.
Then we'll finish our walk.
Yeah!
Anna, look at the bridge.
Yeah, I'll go over and check out that caboose. Have some fun. Check it out.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Actually, I put it in my pocket.
Just set it down somewhere. It ain't going nowhere.
Anna, this way.
Check out this mechanism on this track. Isn't that something? Okay. Pretty interesting place. God, it's lovely. Plumb lovely. Can you get up there by yourself, Anna?
No. Spike.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some bees up there buzzing around too. You might want to come down from there.
I'll come down. Yeah, I was 16. You know I wasn't kidding, right, Mom?
Yeah. That's an awesome piece of work. Is it a pinwheel?
Yeah, it is.
Is it a pinwheel?
Yeah, it lights up at night.
You reckon it lights up? What, baby? A crawdad hole. Oh, Lord. I'm going to go crawdad fishing. In a caboose? Ah. Andrew has spotted the crawdad hole. Down at the crawdad hole. La la la. Man, that's some clean water. Take your shoes off and get in there. I don't care.
Here, Anna. Mom.
Huh?
You and Anna stay over here. No? I just saw two of them. What was that, bite?
Why don't you get in there and put your toes in there and find out, Anna? They might bite them little baby toes right off.
There he is.
You crawdadding?
Yeah, he's got 8 legs, though.
You might not want to mess with him.
You might not want to...
8 legs is a little bit too many.
Look.
Get him!
He's right here.
Get him!
Come look.
I can't come look.
That's a crawdad.
Is it a crawdad? Show us how it's done, son.
He's gone.
You got him, didn't you?
No, he's gone.
Is he gone?
Son's gun leg.
That's all right. He saw you coming.
You want to get in it?
Come on, Anna, jump on in there.
How do you get
Yeah, Santa, get in there and play. It ain't gonna hurt you. You might get a little wet, but you'll be all right.
I think you might have to do that. I think you might have to not. I think you might have to.
Let Andrew help you in.
I'm getting in a lot of stuff. I know how to get. How do we get in? Show me how you get in. I just walk. I just do this. I sit down, wait for it, wait, and just get in like this, sis. I do this.
Be careful where you put your feet there.
There we go.
You don't know what you're stepping into.
Oh, that's seaweed.
Yeah, it looks kind of messy.
I'm doing it somewhere. Like this? I'm getting all myself. Oh my God. Once you get used to it, it gets warm.
Yep, it does get warm.
It's right now warm.
There you go, Miss Anna. You got it going on. There you go.
When I get the car, do I pet it? No.
She's holding her pants up.
There is life here. I might fight salamander too. Want to get out, sis? Just get Anna. Take 5 seconds and get out, and they'll get warm. Don't worry. I got out.
I think she's had enough. Let's go play some basketball.
No.
You gonna catch a crawdad?
Yeah. No. I ain't leaving till I do.
I believe you. I believe you.
My flower. I want to keep on putting it in the water.
There it goes again. Down the stream it goes.
Hey, you should have come out here when I told you about the crawdad. He was sitting right on the edge.
Really?
Yeah.
So there really is crawdads in here, huh?
Yeah. He had pinchers, that's for sure.
Really?
Can he pinch you?
Oh,
crawdad
maybe a
about
little bit.
A crawdad about this big can. He got pinchers like this big.
I don't see no minnow life.
Minnow?
Minnow. Is there any minnow life in there?
Minnows?
Yeah.
Yeah. In creeks like this, there's usually minnows. With the brown park has a... I'm not getting in yet. I gotta go get my flowers.
That flower's gone, baby doll.
No, it's still there.
Look at that water.
There's a dead fish.
I don't know. Reach in there and grab it.
I'm grabbing those dead fish. You should let flowers go in. I had a rock in my hand ready to kill a crawdad.
Here comes a tumbleweed.
Where? Right there?
Yeah.
I put my socks on, get in, I'll walk barefooted. I'll walk in my shoes, alright?
No, don't walk in your shoes.
I'm gonna get some socks on, then get back in.
Did you get wet, Anna?
Yeah.
Good.
My pants got wet.
That's all right. You'll be fine. You can get wet if you need to.
You think I need a shower?
You could use a really good scrub.
I need a shower, don't I? I'm getting in the shower.
Maybe a little cruise down that waterfall right there. I'm going to stand up here and wait on a train. Man, that's a cute train track.
There's 2x4 metal things holding it up.
Yep.
I just stepped in, not stand.
Yeah, you did. Getting them toes all wet, ain't you?
You really want to see a crawdad, Mom?
Ah! It's over for her. You're all right, baby. You'll dry. You'll dry. When we go to the park, you'll be playing and you'll forget all about being wet. You'll forget all about being wet.
I ain't scared to get wet.
Sounds like the fish is jumping down there.
Huh?
Sounds like fish jumping down there. Let's go play with some basketball. He wants to get crawdad. I won't play basketball.
Well, I wanted to, but it's time to get in the water. Andrew, I found the grasshopper. You just want to sit down and Andrew, I found the grasshopper. Andrew, you want to just sit down? Andrew, get that grasshopper. Just sit down. Just get that. That's just what I'll show you.
Yeah. Sing it, baby.
This is the wiggle show. And all we gotta say is wake up, Jeff. I found a balloon, Anna. You want it? Give it to me real quick.
Goodness.
It's a football balloon.
Yeah.
I want to know what that is. No way.
What is it? Oh, there's another one of them. They got them things displayed everywhere. Right up here beside the tree. There's another lighted ornament. They got their Christmas ornaments all over the place. Right here in the middle of May.
That's Jesus.
That's Jesus?
Yeah.
Really?
Look at the head, look at the thorns, look at the horn.
Is it? That's an angel. That's an angel. They left all their Christmas ornamentations out. There was actually a helicopter and a balloon ornaments where we were, but we didn't know it at the time. It was up in the tree above us.
There's a trumpet.
Why'd they leave their Christmas ornaments out?
So people can see.
Huh. They will age in the weather really bad that way. Again, if my video production seems to be a little wavy, it's because I need a new camera, and I am shopping for one. But this one is doing the job. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Just what I always wanted for Christmas in May. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Don't y'all get run over by a train. That's not a chair. That's a griddle. That's where you grill stuff. It's a fireplace. Outdoor fireplace. Outdoor fireplace. Yep. Let's keep walking. Oh no! He's picking at you. He's picking at you.
Oh man!
What is it?
I see a crawdad.
Yeah, I do too. Come on back off that ledge.
Mom,
What?
where did you put your balloon?
I left it at the fireplace, baby. It's a good place for it.
Mamma mia, Mario. That's stupid size Mia. That's stupid Bowser. They also took my wife.
Anna, come in here and drive the train.
Andrew already got it.
Ow. Okay.
So I'm getting you back in the train.
Say all aboard.
All aboard! He climbed up here. Airplane! Airplane! Airplane!
Helicopter. Helicopter right above my head. Oh, God. That was difficult.
Did you see me driving my airplane?
No, I missed it totally. I was following a helicopter. Phew. That was a job.
Good job.
There's the welcome sign to Virginia. Welcome to Virginia. See that birdie? Look at that little birdie.
We get the pretty.
Squawk, squawk, squawk.